is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Young men need to get their head out of the sand. Know you're in control of what happens in the future. How you prepare for the future determines the outcome. Studying and researching all the information that will add value to the plans are crucial. Every young man needs to have a plan for their future. We need to stop thinking that they're too young for making plans for their future. The young man's whole life must be set forth the future with plans that enhance his chances of success. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Nothing can be created or built without prior planning of that dream. Having a child should be done with a plan on how to raise and teach that child. There are a lot of parents that don't plan and let things just happen. The young man is left to the ill-equipped school system as to what his future will be. The school system with limited staff, counselors have the job of handling each student, and their potential for the future is really weak. Parents need to consider a development plan for their child and not leave it to the fate of a low-budget school system. Young men need to demand a plan for their future, but a lot of the work is going to be done by them, working hard and studying to gain an advantage. The only way to ensure a great future is to get a great education. The responsibility of creating a great future is not just on the parents. The child has a major part with his schoolwork and studying to learn a great profession. There is no easy way to accomplish these goals, and everyone must do it the same way. All humans are born with the ability to learn and be taught many things. Each person learns on their own level and time frame, but they still have to do it. So let's get out here and do it, young men. Take control of the future by planning. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Out of here, more than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with thee.